China just unveiled something that has the entire robotics industry scrambling to catch up. While Western companies have dominated headlines for years, Chinese engineers have been quietly developing humanoid robots so advanced, so capable, that they're rewriting the rules of what machines can do. The Canton Fair 2025 became ground zero for a technological earthquake when multiple Chinese humanoid robots demonstrated abilities that left international experts stunned. These aren't concept prototypes, they're production-ready machines already deployed in factories, hospitals, and homes across Asia. Today, we're revealing the shocking truth about China's humanoid robot revolution and the 10 most advanced machines that prove the future of robotics is being built in the East. Number 10. Phoenix by Sanctuary AI. Starting our countdown is Sanctuary AI's Phoenix, which represents a quantum leap in machine learning applied directly to physical world tasks. Phoenix's most shocking capability is its learning speed. It masters entirely new tasks, exponentially faster than previous robot generations, making it genuinely adaptable across wildly different industrial environments without extensive reprogramming cycles. High-profile partnerships with manufacturing giants like Magna International and tech powerhouse Microsoft validate Phoenix's commercial viability for immediate, large-scale deployment. Its extraordinary in-hand manipulation precision dramatically expands practical application ranges, from microscopic precision assembly to rigorous multi-point quality inspections, systematically eliminating the performance gap between human adaptability and mechanical consistency. This intelligence level signals where humanoid robots genuinely cross into what once seemed purely science fiction, recognizing complex objects, identifying specific individuals, and interpreting entire dynamic environments with virtually no human supervision required. Number 9. Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics' Atlas has long set the standard, but recent developments have elevated it to shocking new heights. The latest generation incorporates revolutionary GR2 hands, equipped with hypersensitive tactile feedback systems, a transformative breakthrough in practical manipulation capability. Atlas doesn't just move objects, it feels them, enabling delicate operations like precision tool handling, micro-adjustment of sensitive controls, and fragile component manipulation that would challenge skilled human technicians. This extraordinary capability operates within a cutting-edge, all-electric platform controlled by next-generation machine learning algorithms. Real-world deployment at Hyundai production facilities shows Atlas transcending demonstration stunts to perform genuinely complex industrial sorting and assembly tasks, adapting in milliseconds to the unpredictable chaos of actual manufacturing floors. By flawlessly integrating advanced visual perception, instantaneous environmental feedback, and intricate motor coordination, Atlas has effectively erased the capability gap between human workers and mechanical systems. Number 8. Neo by 1X Technologies. 1X Technologies' Neo takes an entirely different approach, designing for emotional intelligence and domestic integration rather than industrial power. Neo delivers far more than functional task completion. It provides genuine emotional companionship, psychological comfort, and meaningful social engagement that extends well beyond simple assistance. Its sophisticated emotional recognition and appropriate response capability fundamentally transforms the human-robot relationship from cold, transactional utility to authentic social partnership, a watershed moment for widespread public acceptance and successful integration into homes, elder care facilities, and therapeutic environments. Live demonstrations showcase remarkable object manipulation matched with emotional awareness. Through advanced force position hybrid control, Neo handles items with startling finesse, gripping firmly enough for security yet gently enough to prevent damage. A seemingly minor detail that actually represents massive technological advancement in creating robots that function safely and effectively in real human environments. Number 7. Optimus by Tesla. Tesla's ambitious Optimus program seeks to revolutionize humanoid robotics through unprecedented mass production and global deployment. Built on Tesla's proprietary AI processors, originally engineered for autonomous driving systems, Optimus combines radically improved joint articulation with elegant industrial design to handle everything from complex factory operations to everyday household chores. Tesla's audacious production target of 500,000 units by 2027 reflects extraordinary confidence in this robot's versatility across countless applications. Optimus paints a compelling vision where generalist robots meaningfully augment human workers by assuming repetitive or physically taxing responsibilities, freeing people for more creative, intellectually fulfilling work. While still evolving with ongoing challenges in fully autonomous navigation and complex manipulation, Optimus embodies the massive potential of applying automotive-scale AI development resources to humanoid robotics innovation. Number 6. HMN-01 by London-based Humanoid Robotics. The London-engineered HMN-01 emphasizes relentless precision and marathon endurance specifically for punishing industrial automation environments. With a staggering 41 degrees of hand freedom, this machine executes intricate manipulation tasks at speeds that leave human workers in the dust, while its robust 4-hour battery life ensures uninterrupted operational capability throughout extended shifts. Designed for brutally demanding industrial applications, 01's advanced motor control and sophisticated hand-eye coordination prove the rapidly maturing reliability of robotics in challenging professional settings, including high-precision manufacturing, delicate electronics assembly, and complex logistics orchestration. The practical implications stretch far beyond simple automation. Systems like this are purpose-engineered for genuinely transformative applications, from research facilities simulating human work environments to industrial roles, handling delicate components with unwavering precision that human workers simply cannot sustain over long periods. Number 5. Ameca by Engineered Arts. Engineered Arts' Ameca pursues a radically different mission centered entirely on social intelligence and authentic interpersonal interaction. Constructed with modular hardware-software architecture and featuring an intentionally approachable, gender-neutral appearance, Ameca dominates environments where emotional connection proves paramount customer-facing service roles, educational settings, and healthcare applications. Its sophisticated sensor suite, including advanced cameras, directional microphones, and facial recognition systems, enables nuanced social cue interpretation that feels remarkably genuine. Deep integration with cutting-edge large language models like GPT-4 empowers natural, contextually rich conversations, appropriate humor delivery, and even convincing celebrity voice replication. Though Ameca currently sacrifices mobility for these capabilities, its cognitive and interpersonal technologies position it as the foundation for next-generation companion robots, pioneering relationships between humans and machines that transcend mere utility and approach genuine emotional connection. Number 4. Astrobot S1. Stardust Intelligence's Astrobot S1 represents the bleeding edge of speed, precision, and artificial intelligence integration in production-grade humanoids. Its jaw-dropping agility, combined with AI-driven task orchestration, enables lightning-fast, surgical precision execution absolutely essential in cutthroat industrial environments where operational efficiency directly determines survival. As global robotics competition reaches fever pitch, machines like S1 demonstrate the critical incremental advances required to meet the sophisticated demands of fully automated factories and ultra-high-volume service operations, where millisecond timing and millimeter accuracy separate success from obsolescence. At prestigious industry events like the Canton Fair, robots demonstrating these performance characteristics left seasoned professionals genuinely speechless, not simply impressed by technical specifications, but profoundly affected by how naturally these machines replicate the effortless, fluid motion of living organisms rather than mechanically approximating it. Number 3. Figure 02 by Figure AI. Figure AI's Figure 02 showcases a genuine breakthrough in commercially deployable industrial humanoids, purpose-engineered for logistics, automation, and warehouse operations. Its refined architecture includes 50% expanded battery capacity, 6 ultra-high-resolution RGB cameras, and NVIDIA RTX-powered computational processing enabling effortless navigation through cluttered, dynamically changing environments while simultaneously processing voice commands and visual input. Figure 02 doesn't promise future capability, it's delivering measurable results today. Already actively working in prestigious facilities including BMW production lines, its remarkably human-like hands, featuring 24 degrees of freedom, provide motor control precision, ideally suited for pick-and-place operations. quality verification protocols, and material handling critical functions, forming the operational backbone of modern high-velocity supply chains. The computational power driving this physical performance is equally astounding. An 8-core performance CPU paired with an NVIDIA Jetson Orin processor generating 100 trillion operations per second, enabling authentic, real-time environmental comprehension and dynamic behavioral adjustment rather than executing predetermined routines. Number 2. Alex by Alex Boardwalk Robotics. Alex embraces a brilliantly unconventional philosophy, ruthless practical specialization over comprehensive capability. By deliberately eliminating lower body mechanics entirely, Alex redirects valuable engineering resources toward maximizing upper body precision, wrist flexibility, and impressive load-bearing capacity for household and maintenance applications where ground mobility adds unnecessary cost and complexity. This laser-focused approach dramatically slashes both manufacturing expenses and operational costs, establishing Alex as an economically rational solution for countless real-world scenarios that don't require full locomotion capability. With 19 degrees of freedom and robust 22-pound lifting capacity, Alex conclusively proves that strategic design compromises enable humanoid robots to excel dramatically in targeted applications without the enormous complexity and expense of complete bipedal locomotion systems. Alex embodies an emerging design philosophy in robotics engineering, specialized machines optimized for specific high-value use cases, rather than attempting universal robots that compromise performance everywhere. Number 1. Unitree G1. Claiming the top spot and shocking the world at Canton Fair 2025, the Unitree G1 stands at just 1.27 meters, approximately 4 feet 2 inches, and weighs merely 35 kilograms, or about 77 pounds, yet delivers capabilities that absolutely dwarf its compact dimensions. This Chinese-engineered marvel deliberately rejects the imposing giant robot aesthetic, instead representing precision engineering brilliance that successfully fuses minimal form factor with absolutely extraordinary performance output. The G1's most shocking characteristic is its fluid, strikingly natural movement quality that feels disturbingly lifelike. Where previous humanoids moved with obvious mechanical stiffness, the G1 flows with organic grace that borders on eerie. Its 23 degrees of joint freedom enable arms, legs, waist, and torso to move with flexibility genuinely approaching natural human biomechanics. For users demanding even greater capability, elite variants like the Edu Ultimate extend this to 43 degrees of freedom, incorporating multi-jointed dexterous hands that manipulate tiny objects with breathtaking delicacy and control, opening application possibilities previously unthinkable for robots, regardless of size. This is the Chinese robot that has Western competitors genuinely worried. The explosive humanoid robotics revolution of 2025 is being driven by specialized, groundbreaking technological advances, emerging from unexpected places with China leading the charge. From the compact yet shockingly capable Unitree G1 dominating the Canton Fair to established Western players like Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Tesla's Optimus scrambling to maintain relevance, these machines have fundamentally altered the competitive landscape. They represent far more than sophisticated tools. They constitute the vanguard of intelligent collaborators and companions, infiltrating every aspect of human civilization. This revolution is systematically dissolving traditional boundaries in labor markets, caregiving systems, and social structures, heralding a future of human-machine coexistence that proves simultaneously thrilling and potentially threatening to established powers. The age of Chinese dominance in humanoid robotics has decisively arrived, and these 10 groundbreaking machines are spearheading humanity's rapid transformation into a future where biological and mechanical intelligence merge into an inseparable partnership. The question is no longer whether China will dominate robotics, it's whether anyone else can catch up.